Today's vet project is removing this master cylinder. This is for the brakes, front and back. And this car has what they call manual brakes or non-powered brakes, just standard brakes. So there's no booster, which is a vacuum assisted unit that goes right here. It was an option in 1971. So this car, pretty basic, didn't come with AC, didn't come with power brakes, didn't come with power steering. So I don't really care about the power steering, but the power brakes for me is a safety issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a new unit in here. I'm gonna take this off, I've got it loose. And now I've gotta go in here and crawl underneath into this very tiny space and undo some stuff. Up in here, unhook this stuff and detach the brake pedal. Let's see what's going on there. You see that up there? So that's what I've got to deal with getting up there. I'm not really sure how I'm going to get my big chubby fingers in there, but I'm going to try. The master cylinder is out, and what we're going to do is we're going to use these two bottom bolt holes for the new booster, and these are 3.5 inch. I have a booster that's 3.5 inch square, which means I have to drill new holes right up here. This is not 3.5, this is 3.5. I'm also going to have to drill out these because these have bolts, these have threads that are inside there, right? This is welded to the firewall bracket, and I'm going to just drill these out so the new bolts fit through, and then I'm going to measure 3.5 inches center to center up here, drill the two new holes so I have 3.5 square, and then I'm going to block this off, plug this, and then drill the new hole right in the middle for the new booster. And I'll show you the inside in another video, but that's where we're at right now with this is a 1971 C3 that's getting a brake booster.